subscribe and tap the bell not to miss exciting videos from home#life. Want to buy a vacuum cleaner but confused? Then definitely watch this video. Namaste, welcome to home#life, and today's video is all about vacuum cleaners information and a review. A good vacuum cleaner always a necessity for me to reduce my cleaning time to maintain a clean, healthy and dust-free home. Before giving the review of this LG vacuum cleaner, I thought it would be more appropriate to incorporate various kind of vacuum cleaners which is right now available on the market, so that you can think about it and choose a right one according to your need. So let's get started. There are many types of vacuum cleaners available in Indian market. In India, these canister vacuums are very popular. Price range is also affordable. This is handheld vacuum cleaner which is lightweight, and for daily cleaning and dusting it is very handy to get the job done. This is stick vacuum, on little pricier side but can be a great help for heavy cleaning and refrain back pain. This one is upright stick vacuum. If you have carpeted area in your home, then it is a great help. Also, it comes in dry and wet cleaning option. I will leave all these product links in the description box for your reference. And here comes the robot vacuum cleaner. It's an automatic vacuum cleaner which mostly do sweeping, mopping and carpet vacuuming, but it's a little costlier affair. If your budget permits, then definitely you can give it a try. If you are confused whether to buy a vacuum cleaner or not, you must consider these points to understand your requirement. Do you have a fabric sofa or fabric chair or a fabric blind or mattresses? It accumulates dust and need to be cleaned with a vacuum cleaner. Or do you have carpet in your home? Are you living in a dust-prone area? Do you have pets at home? If most answers are yes, then definitely you should consider buying a good vacuum cleaner. If you have cord option, make sure you have power plug points in every room. You can use AC power plug points easily for vacuum cleaner plug points. Also, you can use this type of 16 amp extension box if you do not have many power points at home. But read the vacuum cleaner manual very carefully to see if it's recommended it or not. Suction and power. More watt power means more suction. This one is 1600 watt, which is really good and ensure powerful suction. So always go for higher suction power. If possible, go for a cordless one, but definitely try to buy bagless one, because to clean the bag is really hectic job. I have used one earlier, so I can definitely say go for a bagless vacuum cleaner. Also, if you or your family member have dust allergies, then go for a HEPA filter. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Absorber. It helps to trap fine particles, pollen, dust mites, etc., which can be really beneficial for your health. Always try to select a model which has less weight, easily portable, and occupy a small storage space. Now let's start the review of this LG vacuum cleaner. As we purchased it 6 years back, and now they have discontinued the model, so model number is not necessary in this video. I will leave similar product link in the description box below for your reference. Let's start with the accessories. It has two filters, one called as HEPA filter, which I have already explained, and another one is mesh filter. Two extension steel tubes or pipes, one flexible hose. This is the main body of the vacuum cleaner. This one is the dust or multi-purpose brush. This one is crevice attachment and one upholstery brush. This one is the carpet cum floor attachment. And this is the blower attachment. This is the point where the flexible pipe should be attached. The main vacuum unit has one canister attached to it. When you press it, the canister will come out easily and it catches all the dirt and dust inside here. It is a bagless model and you can wash it when it gets dirty. And the lid is very easy to fix. This is the on-off button and this one is cord retracting button. You press it, the entire cord retracts very smoothly. This is the blower duct. Once you open it, the blower attachment will go here. At the bottom, front side, it has one 360-degree wheel and two big wheels at the back of the vacuum cleaner. The proper way to carry the vacuum cleaner is to hold here and lift it up. Never hold the canister handle to carry it, it will cause damage. Now let's see how to assemble this vacuum cleaner. First, place this small rectangle shaped sponge there and then put this filter frame first. Then another 2 layers of this mesh filters. Now put back the canister in its place. Take out 20 feet long cord and plug it in. Attach the flexible hose right here. For the extension tube, attach them just like this. Without attaching any extension, you can use this tube as a spot cleaning tool. It has 82 decibel noise level. I love its suction power, which is very effective. Now attach the floor nozzle or brush and we can sweep the floor without regular broom. If you have a back pain, then it can be a very good option for you. This crevice tool helps to clean all small crevices. Especially if you have sectional sofa or inside the joints, it can cleanse out all the dirt. It is great to clean baseboards or skirting, inside the sliding doors. Give a big giant thumbs up for this super clean space. Now we will use the floor nozzle as carpet cleaner. Just change it to the carpet option like that. And you can now vacuum clean your carpet very smoothly. It is so good, I can say the best to clean carpets. Carpet accumulates so much dirt and dust. This vacuum cleaner helps me to clean it very properly. This upholstery attachment is great for cleaning sofa, especially the fabric sofa which gets dusty over the time, and it helps to clean the sofa very nicely. Also, you can vacuum clean your fabric dining chairs which catches crumbs all the time, especially if you have little ones around. This dusting brush attachment helps to clean your home decor or any artifacts. Also, you can clean your windows dust very easily. If you need to use the blower option, always empty the dust canister first, then use it. Take out the HEPA filter attachment first and then fix this blower attachment like this. After that, fix the flexible hose pipe and use it accordingly. This vacuum cleaner is a great help for me to clean outside of our home. This mat collects pigeon feathers and hair so badly, but with the help of this vacuum cleaner, I am able to keep and maintain a clean and hygienic home on daily basis. Let me switch it off and show you how effectively it has cleaned the carpet. During our construction work, the carpet collected so much dirt mites or fine dust particles, and you can see how nicely this vacuum cleaner has cleaned the carpet and every corner of our home. Always remember to empty the container after heavy vacuuming, or else its power will decrease and it won't vacuum effectively. Let me show you how to clean filters of this canister vacuum. For the dust separator, put it under the running water and clean thoroughly along with the lid. Then clean the mesh filter and foam pre-filter under the running water. Squeeze the foam pre-filter gently and rub the mesh filter gently with fingers to clean it. Same as HEPA filter, just clean it under the running water. Then dry them in shade away from direct sunlight. Yes, no direct sunlight. Let them dry completely before using them. There are only two cons of this canister vacuum cleaner. One, motor heats up quickly so that it needs few seconds resting time. Also, there should be a suction power control for more effective cleaning. If I need to give rating, then I will give 8 out of 10. Overall, it did pretty good job and I am really satisfied with its performance. You can check the product links in the description box below if you wish. I really hope that you found this video helpful. So leave a big thumbs up so that it can encourage me to create more such content for you. Also share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. So leave a big thumbs up so that. I forgot the script.